Ang tagal mo trinabaho si Esquivel tapos ito lang? Pag hindi mo pa siya mapagsalita, ibibigay ko kay Hunter yung coverage na yan.
Goodbye, Teacher Jerome!
Dapat hindi tayo kumukuha ng ibang properties na ibang tao. Kasi masasad sila. And bad yun.
Oh. I never noticed you in class.
Hindi naman kasi ako cool girl eh.
Oh my God. Oh, dali natin sa clinic. Are you okay? Ay!
Is your water gun back?
Ba't mo ninakaw? Is that true, Lance?
I already know about it. Every teacher and parent in the school knows about it too.
Normal naman talaga ang setup namin. May 2 guardian sa isang bahay.
Pero hindi nanay at tatay.
Bakla ang tito mo.
Yak! Kadiri sila!
Huwag kang sumunod sa amin. But there's nothing wrong with being gay. Basta, huwag kang lumapit sa amin. Baka mahawa pa kami sa kabakla ng tito mo. Tara na nga! Tara na, bakla! Don't forget tomorrow. May show me your parent.
Oo nga. Oo pala. Siyempre hindi ko makakalimutan yun.
Yay! Thanks, Daddy!
So, meron na kayong candle.
Di ba, bading ka?
Oo, bakla ako.
Sabi ng daddy ko, gays go to hell.
Hindi pa naman ako napupunta sa hell kasi wala naman akong ginagawang masama.
Tito ko, bakla din. Mabait siya. I told you, walang bad sa Tito Marcos ko. Hindi ako naniniwala. Kinuha ko to sa rep namin. What's that? Inumin mo to. Inumin mo na. Ano yan? Beer!
Hindi na mag-work yung pagpapakit mo sa akin.
My friends are teasing me because he's gay!
What?
Alex! Alex! Wait!
Lance, I'm sorry. Hindi ko sinasadya.
I hate you!
Mas naman mamahal ng bata.
Are you okay?
How dare you hurt my brother?
I'm sorry. Hindi ko sinasadya. Bigla lang ako.
Tama na yan. Sabay na tayo mag-usap.
Marcos.
Kids!
I know Lance was wrong, but to go through that extent, that is so not Tito Alex.
Let's not judge Tito Alex. I think he's just been thinking about a lot of things lately.
Wow, that's new. Now you're defending Tito?
Nakita mo epekto ng ginawa mo? Hindi mo alam ang pwede maging negative effect ng isang corporal punishment sa mga bata. You should have known better.
Look, ginawa ko lang kung ano alam kong tama. Kung paano ko dinisiplina ng kapatid ko nung nanay nila, yun lang.
Oh, come on. You're different from them, Alex. At isa pa, kung alam mong mali ang ginagawa ng ate mo sa'yo, bakit kailangan mong ulitin sa kanila?
I'm sorry. Hindi ko sinasadyang gawin yun kasi nabigla lang din ako.
Magkasakit mag-apologize. Kay Lance. Lance? Grant? Paige?
Go away! I don't want you here!
Hey! Alex, kung tinutulungan mo kaya ako, Hindi naman kami atraso, ikaw.
Alam mo, kailangan ba talagang i-reiterate yan? O nangakasalanan ko na eh. Ano pa bang gusto mo? Isulat natin sa papel, tapos panotaryo natin, para talaga may proof na nagkamali ako. Ganun ba? Si Lance.
Lance doesn't want to talk to you.
Grant, I'm sorry about what happened. Can I please try to talk to him?
Tito, I think it's best if you leave him alone for now.
Kaya pa talaga natin to?
Alin?
Ito. Yung maging parent sa kanila.
Bakit naman? I think we're doing good so far.
Are we?
Well, from time to time, nagkakamali tayo, pero it doesn't mean that we're bad at parenting. Everything will be okay. At kapag humupa to, be sure na babawi ka sa kanila ng big time. Okay? Ate Cleo, alam ko na hindi ka boto sa relasyon namin ni Alex. Pero we need your guidance. Hindi kasi namin alam kung paano namin palalakihin yung mga anak mo ng tama. So, sana i-guide mo kami. Please. Ate naman eh. Sabi ko i-guide mo kami. Hindi ko sinabi na magparamdam ka sa akin. Ha! Hoy! Lance, ano ka ba? Natakot mo naman ako eh.
Yes!
Tudugayin ako sa'yo. Ano ka ba? Bakit gising ka pa?
I can't sleep, Tito. I'm still tampo with Taddy.
Magbitampo na with Daddy. Okay? Pinagalitan ko na siya. Nasabi ko sa kanya, it's bad to hit kids. Lance, he just wants the best for you. And, Lance, uncomfortable ka ba na pupunta ako sa school nyo?
Tito, it's just that my classmates are teasing me when they found out that you are Tito Alex's boyfriend.
Ay. Sige. We'll find out how to deal with those bullies. Pero for now, gusto ko maging okay na kayo ni Tito Alex, ha? Okay? O gusto mo ba ako nagpapatulog sa'yo? Tara na.
Kids, what are you doing here?
Teddy, we've decided to leave. You can't be a good parent to us.
Yeah, so long, Daddy. Bye. Bye, Daddy. Hope you grow old alone.
No! 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 No!
Hey, Alex! Babe, ano nangyari sa'yo? Magpapawisan ko. Nanagip ka yata eh.
Hey, babe, okay lang ako. Masamang panaginip lang.
Ano gagawin mo? Babe, ano gagawin mo?
Babe, babawi ako kay Lance.
Taddy, what's this?
I made paper planes to make you smile.
What for?
So, you can forgive me.
Of course I forgive you, Taddy. I'm also sorry. I mean, we're okay now. Hi, too.
Yes. I too. I
Could be
too.
better.
Yeah.
These are a lot of paper
Yes.
planes.
You like it?
I love it.
Oof.
Another one.
It's weekend, guys. Where do you wanna go?
Right, you still owe me a shopping spree.
Oh, and my driving lessons.
I don't want to go anywhere.
Hey, come on, Lance. Saan mo gusto pumunta today?
I don't know.
Ano ba yung gagawin?
What?
No shopping?
It's better than shopping. I'm gonna teach you how to bake.
Wow!
Okay?
Eat first, guys.
Let's go eat.
Tito Marcus teach you how to bake. Okay, come on, eat. Come on. Hey! Hey, wake up!
Today, we'll be making chocolate chip cookies.
Yes! My favorite.
So these are the ingredients. Butter, sugar, chocolate chips,
Wow,
of course,
sounds yummy.
egg, vanilla, we have cinnamon, flour, baking soda, and baking powder. So first, we have to cream the butter. After that, we have to put the sugar. Yan. We can add the egg.
Can I try? Can I try?
Wanna try it? Go.
Amazing.
Ready.
O, taas mo yung handbrake. Nice one. Good job, ha? Galing mo na mag-park.
Thanks, Tito, sa pagturo mo sa akin.
Welcome. Hey. So, itong babaeng type mo, liligawan mo ba?
What ligaw? That's not uso in the US.
Ano ba? Research mo talaga yung ligaw, ha? Alam mo, dito sa Pilipinas, uso pa rin yung pangliligaw. Especially sa mga batang katulad mo.
But it sounds so serious. Like, can't you go out on a date first, and then if you hit it off, then I make ligaw?
Grant, dito, if you want to be serious with a girl, you have to prove na your intentions are sincere. Na hindi mo siya lulukuhin.
Oh, you know so much about ligaw. Have you courted someone before, Tito Alex?
Of course! Kaya nga alam ko manligaw ng babae.
There! Now that we're done, ilalagay na natin yung chocolate chip on top of the cookie. Yes! You wanna do it?
Uh-huh.
Go! Here. Yan.
Uh-oh.
There! So now, we're gonna bake the cookie.
Let's bake them to crisp.
Hey, I want soft cookies.
What? I love crispy ones.
Why not both?
Really? How?
Yeah. We're gonna make a cookie na crispy outside and then soft and chewy inside.
That looks so
Yan.
good.
Okay? Game?
Game?
Game!
It's hot.
That's hot. There.
Go.
That's girl.
Yeah, let's see.
Wow.
So good.
Can't wait to eat them.
Yeah, it's hot. The cookies are done!
Yay!
Uy! Something smells good.
Try it, Taddy. Try it.
Sure?
Yeah,
You sure,
try
ha?
it.
Sige, sige. Wait, it's hot, ha? It's hot. Hey, it's hot. It's hot. Wait.
Masarap.
Sobrang sarap. Sobrang
Yes, cookies. High four.
High five!
High five! High five! High five!
Mom.
High five! Hey, go! Go!
No, that's bad!
Sarap, di ba?
Ay, nako, Grant. Bata-bata mo po para sa ligaw-ligaw na yan, ha?
Tito, I'm 17.
At saka, Kailan ka pa naging conservative? Naku, Grant, okay lang yan. Alam mo, basta importante, respetuhin mo lang yung babae. Okay?
Of course, yeah.
Wow. Pro na pro, no?
Of course. Eh, di ba nagka-girlfriend na si Tito Alex?
Oo, si Pam. Na by the way, naging teacher pa ni Lance. Small world.
Ano ba? Past is past, okay? Tapos na yun, mag-move on ka na. Kasi wala na eh.
Sandali, bakit ka nagre-react ng ganyan? Nabanggit ko rin naman yung pangalan ni Pam. Bakit ka nagkakaganyan?
Matagal na nga kasi yun. Dapat hindi mo na binring up, okay? Lalo pa sa harapan ng mga bata.
Tinago mo ka pa sa akin eh. Kung di pa nabagit ng mga bata, hindi ko pa malalaman.
Kaya nga matagal na nga yun. Ba't kaya ka lang nagre-react?
Basta naasar ako eh. Bakit ba? Bawal ba ako mag-react, ha? Bawal ba maasar? Naalala ko. Sinundo ko si Lance nun eh. Ang dami yung hana siya setup natin. Alam mo siguro, meron pa siyang gusto sa'yo, no? No.
Ano ba? Ang sinabi ang tagal na no? Pwede ba nakamove on na yung tao? Nakamove on na rin ako?
Hindi. Mga taksil kayo, taksil!
Taksil agad?
Taksil!
Taksil? Talaga? Ang labo ng utak mo eh, no? Wala kami ginagawa. We broke up because I got confused with my sexuality. And then I met you. Marcos, ikaw na nga eh. Ikaw na nga yung boyfriend ko eh, okay? Ikaw na yung mahal ko, okay? Ito na oh. Ito na yung gusto ko. Pwede ba? Huwag na yung kung ano-ano yung iniisip mo dyan. Kasi babe, wala na yun eh. Ang tagal-tagal na nun. Ikaw na. Ikaw na yung mahal ko. Ito oh. Ito yung pamilya natin.
Sige na.
Stop na.
Oh, legal. What's that?
Basta, you're still too young for it. Oh,
I wanna see.
No.
Come
Maybe
on.
when you're older. Not right now.
I want to see it
No.
now.
I'll
Come
already close the
on. No,
laptop.
it's now. No.
Okay, wait, actually, do you really want to know what ligaw is?
Yeah.
Okay, come and help me. I have a plan, but I'm gonna need you, okay?
Okay.
Alex, ginagawa mo na yata ang tambahan tong editing room eh. No field work?
Nagre-research ako. Hindi tulad ng mga ibang reporters dyan. Nakaasa dun sa mga researcher nila.
Everyone has their own work to do.
At ito, parte rin to ng trabaho natin.
Too bad, mabagal kang kumilos. Well, I'm already done with my research.
Mismo, sir. Alam mo, may kasabihan tayo, daig pa ng mabilis ang matulis.
Ano daw? Pathetic.
Sir, nagra-rhyme lang naman, sir. Pareho naman, di ba?
Tumahimik ka na lang dyan.
Alam nyo, wala namang kaso kung mabilis. Ang importante, tama ang impormasyon na nakukuha.
Tama ka rin dyan, Alex.
Oh, sir.
Kaya dapat tularan mo yan sa Hunter. Fast facts! Kaya bilisin mo na yung report mo.
Yes, sir.
Dear Libby, roses may be cheesy, but maybe I am too. Because I couldn't think of a flower that would compare to you. A rose is pretty with a touch of mystery. So is your beauty that I will never get tired till eternity.
Can we talk?
Sure.
That was really sweet. The note and the rose.
And the chocolate?
There was no chocolate.
Anyway, you wanted to talk?
Yup. Gusto ko lang sabihin na if gusto mo akong ligawan, pumapayag na ako.
For real? Really?
Yes! Ay, woo! Yes! Grant! Calm down. Ligaw pa lang, di pa kita sinasagot.
Sorry, I just got excited.
Teacher Pam was my daddy's girlfriend before.
Uy, paano yun? Di ba bakla nga siya? Paano mo siya magkaka-girlfriend?
Oo nga naman. I'll prove it to you. Watch.
Sige na.
Teacher Pam, for you from Tito Alex.
Really? How sweet. Thanks, Lance. I'll see you boys in class. Okay? See?
What did you just do? My friends are making fun of me because they think Tito Alex is gay.
You're just causing trouble.
If it's a secret, it won't be a problem. So don't tell Tito Alex and Teacher Pam.
Bahala ka.
Uy, does this name ring a bell? Christian Esguerra, hindi ba ito yung ex mo dati?
Sinong ex, boss?
Ex daw ni Sir Marcos ang guest natin mamaya.
Tama. Christian Esguerra, ang ex ni Marcos na niloko at pinagpalit siya nung siya'y 16, 23 at 26 years old na paulit-ulit niyang pinatawag.
Parang narinig ko ng kwentong yan. Siya ba yung ex na laging binabalik-balikan?
Hindi binabalikan. Mahal na mahal niya todo.
At halos ibigay niya ang lahat.
Tumpak!
At ang ex hindi na binabalikan yon, no? Kaya nga ang ex mo na siya. Inekis mo siya sa buhay mo. Bumalik ka kayo sa mga pinagagawa niyo. Ano ginagawa niyo, ha? Gas ka mo.
Ay, nako. Ay, nako.
Ex mo dito.
Lance! Paige! Si Tito Alex yung susundo sa inyo?
Supposedly, yes.
How are you guys coping with the school?
I'm fine.
If ever you guys need anything, don't hesitate to call me, okay? I know you're Tito Alex. We're friends. So, pwede niyo akong lapitan.
Yes po. Thank you.
Medyo napapadaldal na yata ako dito. Sorry. I have cookies. Do you guys want some?
Yes, I love cookies!
Open it.
Hindi lang isa kundi isang dosena ang pagmamayari na luxury cars ni Colonel Esquivel. At ang source, mga politiko na kinukuha ang serbisyo ni Colonel para bantayan sila sa paglilibot sa bansa. At ayon sa aming source na ayaw magpangalan, ang mga ito ay galing sa pork barrel ng politiko. At para hindi masilip si Colonel, ipinapangalan niya ang kanyang mga ari-arian sa kanyang mga anak.
Woo! Congratulations, Vergara, sa report mo. Dahil sa expose mo, pumalo ang audience natin.
No,
good
sir.
job, good job.
Maraming salamat.
Ito ang gagayahin ninyo. Ha?
Thank you.
Back to work.
Congrats, ha? Paano? Ayos, ha?
Pare, konti na lang. Makuha mo ni promotion. Mamamatay sa inggit yung hunter na yan.
Naku pare, hayaan mo na siya. Teka. Sunduin ko na yung mga pamangkin ko, ha?
Akala ko ba si Bebs ang susundo sa mga pamangkin mo?
Hindi, busy eh. May inaasikaso eh. Tsaka tapos na naman yung trabaho ko dito eh. Paano?
Sige.
Muna na ako.
Kita tayo.
Salamat.
Yan.
Thank you for inviting
Diba?
us. Wow.
Kung masarap. Uy, thank you. Guys, go, 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 go. Dig in. Okay yan.
Christian!
Hey, Marcus!
It's been a long time.
I know, how are you?
Good. Ito, nagbi-business.
Place mo to?
Yeah.
It's nice, huh?
Thank you.
Done well.
Lance, Paige, wala pa kayong sundo?
On the way na daw si Daddy.
I see.
Hey, kids. Sorry traffic eh.
It's okay, Daddy. Hungry na si Lance.
Alex, hi.
Hi, Pam. Sorry medyo natagalan Asa yung kuya niyo?
Di ko po alam eh. Kanina ko pa tinetext.
I'm hungry na. Naku, close na yung cafeteria. Pero meron akong sandwich dito. Hindi ko nakain kaninang merienda.
Yay! Thanks, Teacher Pam!
Lance, saan ba naman kakainin yan?
Dito na lang. Let's picnic here.
Sobrang toxic mo pala. Buti na lang naisisingit mo pa yung pagsundo sa mga bata.
Tinatry ko lang i-balance yung lahat.
I know you are. It's hard, pero I think you're doing a really good job.
Salamat.
Alex, I know it's been a long time, pero I just want you to know na kung ano man yung nangyari sa atin before, okay na ako.
Pasensya ka na. I guess I was very immature back then.
Hindi naman. Pero like I said, I'm okay.
Dito. Kuya's here.
Yeah.
Sorry. I waited for Libby Sundo na dumating.
Ligaw, ligaw!
Stop it.
Hey, that's alright. Pam, maraming salamat sa pag-accommodate sa amin ng mga bata. Kailangan na namin muna eh.
Sige. Ingat kayo.
Ingat ka din Bye.
Bye.
Pam, thanks for understanding my situation.
Oo naman.
Salamat.
Bye, kids.
Let's go.
Bye.
Oh, diba? Wait. Diba sabi ko sa'yo, Becky ang ex mo, ayaw mo maniwala.
Oo na, tama ka na.
Alam mo, huwag ka na mangarap may second chance pa. Pam, mahirap maging kopya, okay?
Ay! Yung cellphone niya. Sandali.
So, is everything okay? How's the food?
Everything tastes great.
Thanks. So, just enjoy the night, okay? Thank you.
Excuse me. Marcus. Wait. See, I just got back from out of town, and I really missed everybody.
Mm-hmm.
I don't mean to be rude, but can we go out sometime? You know, if you're free, just catch up a little bit.
Go out?
Yeah. I mean, kung wala namang magagalit.
Alex! Alex, naiwan mo yung phone mo!
Ay, oo nga pala. Hey.
Mom, I wanna see!
Sorry.
Hindi. Sorry, kasalanan ko. Naiwan mo kasi to doon sa hagdanan kanina.
Oo nga pala. Salamat ha. Paano? Mauna na kami ng mga bata. Kids, let's go. Ingat ha. Salamat. Let's go.
Alex! Wait. Yung dahilan kung bakit tayo nag-break, yung sekreto mo, wala akong pagsasabihang iba.
Thank you. Hindi na ako.
Sige.
I'm sorry, I can't. I can't. I have a boyfriend.
Yeah, so I've heard. The closet guy, right?
How did you know?
How did I know? Social media, of course. See, I know he's closet kasi best friend ng pakilala mo sa kanya kahit na medyo obvious naman na mag-boyfriend kayo. Anyway, I just took the shot. So, in case you change your mind, you know where to find me. Right?
Thanks for the invite. Long day?
Oo. Ikaw?
Oo, maraming tao.
Ganun ba? Pahinga na tayo. Good night.
Good night.
Can we go out sometime? You know, if you're free, just catch up a little bit.
Go out?
Yeah. I mean, kung wala namang magagalit.
So what do we do now? Do we tell Tito Marcos?
No, there'll be trouble if they find out.
But we saw it. We should tell.
Believe me, no one is helping anyone if sinabi natin. So, let's just shut up.
What's the trouble? Meron ba kayong sasabihin sa akin?
It's nothing, Tito Marcos.
Kuya.
We'll go to school na.
You know what, Tito Marcos?
What?
Tito Alex and Teacher Pump kissed.
Christian!
Hey, Marcos. I just dropped by to give you these.
Thank you.
Yeah, a friend made it. Masarap siya, so kaya naisip kita.
Thank you, Christian, ha? Thank you. Kamusta ka na? Long time, ha?
Ito, medyo naninibago pa sa Pinas. I missed home, kaya I might be here now for good.
Really? Wow!
Talaga.
That's exciting.
Marcos, alis na ako.
Alex. Sige, ingat ka. Ha? Siya nga pala, si Christian. Christian, this is Alex.
Hi. Alex, nice to meet you.
Marcos, mauna na ako I just dropped by for these lang talaga.
Sige.
I'll see you around.
Sige.
Take care.
Ingat,
Thank you,
bro, ingat.
Christian.
Ano yan?
That guy?
Oo.
Wala, siya yung ex-boyfriend ko.
Wow. Talagang nakikipaglandian ka pa. Tapos nakita ko pa at dito pa talaga sa labas. Wow, ah.
Well, at least nakita mo. Hindi ka tulad mo, nakikipaglandian ka kay Pam. At hinalikan mo pa nang hindi mo sinasabi sa akin.
Wait. Paano?
Well, hindi na problema yan. Yung totoo. Naghalikan ba kayo? Hindi mo masagot.
Marcus!
Naalala mo ba yung invitation mo sa akin last time na to hang out? I'm free today.
Sino bang mas chicks? Yung ex o yung ngayon?
Pare, magkaiba sila.
Magkaiba ng flavor. Kaya pareho mong gustong matikman.
Hindi naman sa ganun.
Huwag mo dibdibin yung kiss, okay? Aksidente lang yon. Wala nang second chance, hindi na yung mauulit, okay?
Oh, Lance! What's your problem? I hate my friends. They kick me out because they think I'm gay.
They sound like such loser friends. Why don't you find better friends, di ba?
Hoy! Huwag mong galawin yan. Favorite ni Alex yan, kaya huwag mong ginagalaw.
Alex again.
Stupido! Ang tanga-tanga mo! Hindi ka nag-iisip!
Sir, sorry ho, pero trabaho ko po yun eh. Trabaho ko po ilabas yung totoo.
Ayusin mo yan, Vergara!